Hi friends, this video shows how to insert or remove ocular lens or eyepiece lens from this microscope. So this is a viewing tube of microscope. See, let me show in different angle. See, this is a viewing tube. On this tube we can insert these uh, ocular lenses. First I am going to insert this 10x. So let me insert this 10x lens. See, if you want to remove, you can just simply remove like this. So let me insert this 25x. If you want to remove, so we can remove like this. So this way we can easily insert and remove eyepiece lenses or ocular lenses on microscope. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.